What's wrong, Susan? You're shaking.
That lady, that rich, the horrible old lady, she was right there.
Look around, darling. There's no one here. It was only a nightmare.
Please don't go. Don't go.
No, I'm not going anywhere. Calm down, darling. I'm right here.